In this video, I am discussing 5th Standard Mathematics, Chapter 4, Decimal Fractions, Exercise 4.2, and related questions asked in residential school entrance exam. Before going to exercise, see some basic concepts. Observe the following table: fraction, denominator, number of zeros in the denominator, decimal fraction. 4 by 10, denominator is 10 here. Number of zeros in the denominator is 1. This is 0.4. In decimal fraction, this is 0.4. Similarly, 10 by 100, 10 by 17 by 10. This is denominator is 10. Number of zeros 1. In decimal fraction 1.7. 523 by 10. Denominator is 10. Number of zeros in the denominator is 1. 52.3. This is 52.3. We can conclude if the denominator of a fraction is 10, put a decimal point in the number of numerator after one digit from the right. Now observe the following table: fraction, denominator, number of zeros in the denominator, decimal form. 24 by 100, denominator is 100. Number of zeros in the denominator is 2. Decimal form 0.24. Put a decimal point after 2 digit from right side. That means 1, 2, decimal point 0.24. Similarly, all of this, we can conclude that if the denominator of the fraction is 100, put a decimal point in the number in the numerator after 2 digits from the right. See this table: decimal fraction, number without decimal point, the number of decimal places, denominator, fraction. Here, decimal fraction is 0.4. The number without decimal point is 4. The number of decimal places here, after point, only one number is there. Therefore, 1. Denominator is 10. In fraction, this is 4 by 10. Similarly, see this 0.04. The number without decimal point is 4. The number of decimal places here 2. Denominator is 100. 4 by 100. From the table, we can conclude the steps to be followed for converting a given decimal number into a fractional form are. First one, write the digit of the given decimal without the decimal point. That forms the numerator. Second one, count the decimal places in the given decimal number. Write 1 followed by as many zeros as the number of decimal places that forms the denominator. Okay. In exercise, we will let it know. Exercise 4.2, first one, write the following fractions as a decimal fraction. 8 by 10, this is 0.8. In denominator, only one zero is there, therefore, put a decimal point after one digit from right side. Similarly, this is 0.7. This is 6 by 10 means 0.6. 16 by 10, this is 1.6. 42 by 10, this is 4.2. 83 by 10, this is 8.3. 7 by 100, in denominator two zeros are there. Put a decimal point after two digit from right side, that means 0.07. 72 by 100, similarly, this is 0.7291. 861 by 100 means 8.61. Times 1. 162 by 10 means 16.2. 11th one. 141 by 100 means, put a decimal point after two digit from right side, 1.41. This is 1.41. 1461 by 100 means 14.61. 1 by 2, make denominator as 10. Just multiply by this. Just multiply numerator and denominator by 5. This is 5 by 10, 0.5. This is also same. Make it as 100. Just multiply numerator by denominator 25. This is 75 by 100, 0.75. 2 by 5 is there. 2 by 5, multiply and divide by 20. Denominator becomes 100. This is 2 into 20 means 40 divided by 100. This becomes 0.40. 7 by 20, I'll make it as denominator 100 multiplying 5 and divide by 5. This is 35 divided by 100. This is 0.35. Just 38 by 50 is there. 38 by 50 Divide and multiply by 2. Denominator becomes 100. 76 by 100 is 0.76. 17 by 25 is there. Multiply and divide numerator and denominator by 4. This is 68 by 100 becomes 0.68. Similarly, this is 13 by 20 is there. Numerator and denominator, multiply numerator and denominator by 5. 13 5 is 65. 25 is 100. This is 0.65. 8 by 25. Multiply and divide numerator and denominator by 4. 8 4s are 32. 25 4s are 100. This becomes 0.32. Second one. Write the following decimal fractions as fractions. Simple. This becomes 7 by 10. This is 2. After 2 points from right side, decimal point is there. Therefore, this is 2 by 100. This is 338 by 10. 14.5. 145 by 10. 56. 0.56 is there. Write 56 as it is divided by, after 2 digit from right side, decimal point is there. Therefore, 100. Yes, so 803 by 100. Seventh one, 14.57 is 1457 by 100. Eighth one, 85.4. This is 854 by 10. 147.5. Write it as 1475 divided by 10. This is 85 by 10. This is 8561 by 100. This becomes 6.84, means 684 divided by 100. Murarji Residential School Entrance Exam 2025. Asked question. Question is, write the fraction for the shaded portion. Here 10 parts are there, 7 parts shaded. Total part is 10, shaded part 7. This becomes option 2 is the right answer, 7 by 10. This completes your exercise and related questions asked in residential school exam. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button